Yes, I've been on this lonely stretch of trail. Man. Yeah, I'm out at Beeline, getting my tire changed. Just sitting in the sun. Well, sort of sun and cloudy, windy, but still a beautiful day. See a beautiful flag just a-waving in the wind. Well, just smoking a cigarette and jabbering on camera, trying to see if people can get a decent view. Yeah, I don't know, but God, it's beautiful. And yes, after the tire's done, I'm gonna go and take it up on 94 and break it in. So this is how my day's going. Sitting out here with my backpack, so I have pop and everything. My helmet. Got cameras, everything. So yeah. Fun. Yeah, nobody coming down the bike path right now.